All right. So my trading setup, I actively trade US stocks. That's options markets, futures markets, spot markets, like foreign exchange. I don't hardly do any foreign exchange, mainly stocks. And people are always interested in your computing setup. So here we go. Basically, key part is the comfy chair, because you are sat there open to close. It's a long old time. So nice comfy leather chair. So key to setup. Then so the reason I have a laptop is like my central part is that so when I travel, I am used to operating that laptop. That laptop goes on a second screen up here, and that's where I have my scrolling. I can scroll through my portfolio because it's vertical, less scrolling, and you can see much more. I actually want to buy more of these. It's a really good screen. I've been super happy with it. So that's linked to that. I then want a few desktops. So we've got this one here. So I open up one trading platform on here with two more screens. We then have this lower four, which is my I paid quite a bit of money for a high-powered trading machine. So that's these ones. Keyboard and mouse for those, keyboard and mouse for these, and keyboard and mouse for those. Then I've got the top line here. That is for charts. So each screen split 4 ways. So I want to see S&P, RUT, Qs, Dow. I follow gold, crude, natty gas, Bitcoin. Then 4 stocks are in play. So let's say Palantir, Crowd, Intel, Tesla, and another 4 stocks in play. Apple, Amazon, Coin. These are ones just jumping out of my head. Nvidia. So that's for viewing the stocks. This is another brokers. So I have Interactive, Tasty Trade, TradeStation, and then a couple of different accounts for myself and a couple of other people. And I snug in to this corner, work out my trades, and then execute here with visuals here. So that is my go-to setup. When I travel, take the laptop with me, take the second laptop with me, and I have a third laptop. All ThinkPads. The reason being, I can share the charger. So I take one charger, and it will plug into this ThinkPad, and I have a third ThinkPad. So that enables just continuous trading, traveling, changing location, moving house, no problem, really comfy. I can make do. It's not ideal, but I can make do on the laptops. For some reason, I love the phone holders. So I've got a couple of mobiles and a couple of, just so that screen is upright. Nothing worse than that screen being flat. So that's it. What else to tell you? Processing. I mean, main thing is internet, and then some level of decent operating system. I generally like to spend no more than $1,000 per machine. I just don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth spending $2,000. I think you can get a good enough machine for $1,000 or pounds. Call it the same. Another key thing I like, this isn't a great room for this, but I like good lighting. I find it really important because you're sat at your desk for a long old time, and just having comfortable lighting is quite key. This is a rental, and so I haven't been able to get lamps or stuff like that yet. So I'd get good lighting, comfy desk, comfy seat. You don't have to have as many machines as this. This is just what I have. And if you're going to travel and trade, 2-3 laptops. I've gone through now 5 ports, so through the old scanners, and they've never had a problem when I get out a stack of laptops and put them in the plastic trays. No problem at all. All right, that's it. Hit me up. Any questions about the trading setup or the platforms I use, more than happy to answer the questions. Yeah, Interactive Brokers, TradeStation. You've got to go with the best in the business for the platforms and the one with the cheapest costs. That's it. Just want to mention, all these monitors were eBay 19-inch, possibly 20-inch refurb jobs. 20 quid a monitor. I have no problem spending 20 quid a monitor. And when they break, you just chuck it out, put a new one in. The big one was the only monitor that cost me a bit of money. I'd probably buy 2 or 3 more of them at some point. But all these monitors, do not waste your money. Just get another machine and another 4 plugged into a machine. Get the graphics card, get a decent graphics card, and just spend 20 quid on Dell 19 or 20-inch monitors. It's a big tip. Just while we're on hardware, these are just your standard Logitech Key 120 keyboards. 20 quid at best. The mouse, don't bother with gaming mouses. I've only had trouble. This is just your standard Logitech M135s maybe. Just real basic mouse. Don't bother, get the gaming ones. Complete waste of time. Super simple keyboard, super simple mouse. And these are good mouse pads. Bigen, much bigger than this one. Way better because you're always moving around. I can